Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell because I'm uploading all the time at the moment. I do normally upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. However, like I said, I'm uploading loads because it's Halloween and Christmas season. And today I'm back with another Christmas video. Today, I'm dropping everything. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Revolution, You Are the Revolution 25-day advent calendar. This is the one that is just exclusive to be able to buy in Superdrug. If you are wondering what lip combination I have on, by the way, it is the Be Perfect Pout Line Lip Liner in the shade Tame and the Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick, well, cream lipstick should I say, and this one is in the shade Day Slayer. It's actually a really nice combo. I have got like a bit of red lipstick kind of left on my skin, but I can't get it off, so this will have to do. And I have also just took some eye makeup off as well, so that's why my eyes look a little bit red, because I did have like a reddy orangey look on. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this retails for £40, and obviously it has 25 days in this one. Each day costs £1.60, which is banging. The thing that's really exciting about this one is I'm actually on the back of it. That's me, my little face. Like on an advent calendar in Superdrug, it's absolutely surreal. So yeah, it's got a little picture of me on the back. I'm also on the Rossmann and the Zalando exclusive ones as well, which I will be doing unboxing videos just in case there's anybody who doesn't live in the UK who has access to them ones. And I can show you exactly what is in them ones as well, because it is very similar, but there is some things that are different. Packaging's a little bit different, especially one of them's blue, which is really cool. But yeah, that's me. It's me. Okay, so let's get this bad boy open and see whether it is actually worth the £1.60 per door. So obviously this is cruelty free and also 100% vegan as well. And it says made with love on the back of it. And then this is what it looks like without me dropping it everywhere. So let's just get started with day one right at the top. Ooh, it feels really heavy. So in day one we have, it looks like a palette. Oh my god, day one is a blush palette. This is in the shade Cheeky. That is stunning. I'm sorry, but that is actually beautiful. So that is what the blush palette looks like. That is really cute. Anyways, moving on to day number two. So in this one we have a brow gel. These are always like a clear brow gel. I always give these to my younger sister Minnie because she's not really into makeup, but the things that she does like is brow gel and mascara. So anything that I have like overflow of, she always gets that. So she'll definitely be getting that bad boy. Moving on to day number three. So this one is a lip liner. So it just looks like this. And let's do a little swatcheroo. Ooh, okay. So it's like a nice pinky lip liner. Oh my god, my eyes look like I've got something wrong with them. I promise it is just the eyeshadow that I've had on. And then moving on to day number four, which is also a skinny one. This one feels heavier. It's a jelly gloss, so it just looks like this. Oh, you can see that sparkle, like the iridescence reflecting it. This one's in the shade Pout. So that one's number four. Then moving on to number five, which is the same colour but actually even longer tube. You know it's a brush when it has this little paper. So this has a little brush. I like that it's actually like a long handle one, because the little travel ones I never really get my use out of. So yeah, probably would have been nice to have had like two in there. Oh god, I'm dropping things. Instead of just having one brush, but I'm not going to moan too much. I'm going to try and be balanced. Moving on to number six. This one's a nice little square one. Ooh, this is a compact. This is a highlighter in the shade Condition. This looks beautiful. Absolutely. Should we do a little swatch? I can't help myself. Oh, stop. It's like, wow. It's like really, really, really soft to the touch. Like the formula is really, really buttery. Oh my god, that is stunning. Okay, that is beautiful. Can you remember last year when I unboxed the advent calendars, I fell in love with a pressed powder. I swear to God, please let there be a pressed powder in at least one of the advent calendars this year, because it was unbelievable. I used it all up, like over my more expensive pressed powders. It was so good. So I'm really hoping that I have one in at least one of this year's calendars. So moving on to day number 7, which is actually hard to get into. So day number 7, we have a matte liquid lipstick in this like mauvey shade. This is the shade Baby. Let's do a little swatch because I'm being, oh, that's pretty. That's actually really, really nice. Next up is number 8. This one feels really light and it doesn't make any noise. Oh my god, it's sponges. Okay, I didn't expect that. Oh, it's one sponge. I didn't expect that. I'd pay £1.60 for a sponge. Okay, that's really soft as well. Okay, happy with that one. I thought it was going to be like a compact or something. I literally dread getting a compact mirror because I just have too many. And then we have number 9. I actually have a Lion King compact mirror and I don't even use that one, so I'm not going to use any other ones. Ooh, okay, so number 9 is a matte liquid lipstick again, but this one is a nice red one for the Crimbo season. I really like the applicator on this. Let's do a swatch. That's just what that looks like. So quite like a cherry bright red. Again, doesn't really smell of anything. Then moving on to number 10. We always have this, like every single year. This is the brow crayon, which is like a waxy brow crayon. I'm not going to swatch it because I know that I'm never going to use it, so I'd rather it go into like my donation pile instead. Number 11 is a bigger one. I wonder if this is going to be the compact mirror. Yeah. There's always one, literally every single year. Ooh, the packaging is a lot nicer on this one, but still, it's just not really something that I use. I know some people like absolutely swear by it and like really like to have them in the handbag, but it's just never ever something that I reach for. I don't know why. It's just not my vibe. So I would have rather have had a pressed powder in that big square. And then moving on to number 12, a cream eyeshadow, which just, oh, you can't even see that. There we go. Just this shade here. Ooh, that is really, really soft and creamy. That is a beautiful colour. Again, doesn't really smell of anything. Now for number 13. This is a highlighter again, but this one's in the shade Impact, which just looks like this. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my god, it's the same texture. It's literally like a foil. Like, not even a foil. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a cream. I don't know how to explain it. I really don't. It's really, really pretty. So that is the darker highlighter. So that's nice that we've got 2 different colours, because I was thinking obviously the lighter one isn't going to work for everyone. So I like that we've got a darker one, like a lighter one, and then I would say like more of like a medium one. So that was number 13, and then moving on to number 14. Ooh, we have another cream shadow. This one's in the shade Life. So I'll swatch it next to. Oh, this one's beautiful. Oh my god, that is stunning. Wow. Doesn't smell of anything. I need to stop sniffing it. But that is absolutely beautiful. It's got like loads of like speckles of glitter in as well. That is really, really nice. Okay, happy with that one. So that was day 14. Moving on to day 15, which, there we go, it's a nice long one for this one. It's an eyeliner pencil, just what I thought. Oh my god, there we go. Let's do a swatch. There is it there, nice black eyeliner pencil. Can't go wrong with an eyeliner pencil. Day 16, we have further at the bottom, just looks like this. Oh my god, stop. There's little Revolution hair clips. And if you are quite like new to my channel, you haven't watched any of my tutorials, they are my guilty pleasure. I nearly spent £10 on some gold Vive hair clips that literally just look the exact same, but they were just gold instead of Vive on them. This is my weakness. I absolutely love these little hair clips. So yeah, buzzing that they have it in the advent calendar that has my face on it, because it's just so fitting. Just crazy, absolutely crazy. What would have really topped that if we had that on number 20, because 20 is my birthday. My birthday is obviously the 20th of December. So that would have been hilarious if that was on day 20, but we're getting there. We're getting there to see what's going to be on my birthday. So we have day 17. And in this one we have another jelly gloss. This one is in the shade Mwah. And this one is just a clear gloss. So we have another lip liner, which you know I love lip liners. This one is in the shade in the shade Slow. I was going to say, is it just called Red? No? in the shade Slow. So I've just swatched it next to that pink one there. But let me swatch it next to the red liquid lip, because that is literally like the perfect match for it. So that's the lip liner that will go really, really well with the liquid lipstick, if I can spit the words out. Moving on to day 19, which is same size. And this is another pencil. I'm going to say like a brown eyeliner pencil, medium brown, or is it going to be a brow pencil? Brow pencil. So we have a brow pencil in the shade medium brown. Let's do a swatcheroo. Ooh, that's actually a really nice colour. That one there. So that was day 19. Now I'm going on to day 20, which if you've watched my advent calendar unboxings over the last couple of years, you'll know it's the day I get the most excited for because it's my happy birthday. So we have day 20, and please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. At least I know it's not going to be a compact mirror because that would be such a letdown. It's a lipstick. You all know I absolutely love a lipstick combo. I just can't beat a lip combo. And we have a lipstick and it's in the shade Baby. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, a lipstick on my happy birthday. Oh my god. That is stunning. I'm sorry. Beautiful. Ooh, this one looks like it's going to be a brush again because I can see the paper. So this is what it looks like. Again, I would have preferred to have had at least 2 brushes like in a box, which is probably quite a lot I'm asking for £1.60 a door. When you think about how much I pay for like Morphe brushes and stuff. But yeah, I just don't really find that I would use these brushes. I'd rather have like a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush because you all know if you've watched my videos, I always use the ones from Christmas gift sets and I always get my use out of them. But yeah, that wouldn't really be one that I would use all that often. Moving on to day 22, which is another little square one. So I'm going to guess maybe like, I don't know, like a bronzer or something, which is again, it's going to be quite hard to do. Yeah, it's a bronzer. It's a contour powder. Contour powder in the shade Shape, which looks like this, which is very dangerous ground because it's not going to suit everybody. However, at least you can use it for an eyeshadow. If it's too dark for me, I would be able to use it as an eyeshadow. But I don't know if I'd actually be able to get away with it, you know, because it depends how pigmented it is. If it's quite like buildable, I'd probably get away with that. But if not, I can definitely use it as an eyeshadow. So that was day 22. Day 23, I'm going to guess is another lipstick because it was right next to day 20 and it's the same size. I was right, another lipstick. So this is a lipstick in the shade Slow. Oh, so that matches the lip liner. I'm pretty sure the matte liquid lipstick was called the same. So let me swatch it near them. Yeah, it's a bit more of a brighter colour. Just ever so slightly, not by much. But that is the shade Slow. Then moving on to day 24, if I can get it out, which is this one here. Second from last. The last one is like the biggest box in the palette. Ooh, this is actually a really pretty gloss. So this is another one of the jelly glosses. This one is in the shade Kiss. You can see it's like a soft baby pink with like a tiny bit of a peachy colour to it as well. And it's got all sparkle inside. And then last is day 25, which I'm assuming is an eyeshadow palette. This is just what it looks like. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's a palette. This is the shadow palette in the shade Time to Shine. It just looks like this. And again, it has that like really foily texture there. That another one that I've just unboxed had. Very interesting. So this is what it looks like. And actually, when I look at it, this is an all shimmer palette. There's no mattes in here at all. So that's when you could probably go in with that bronzer to have that as like your crease colour and then go in with a little sparkle instead. So this is just what it looks like up close. You can see it's all sparkle. So yeah, that was everything that was inside the Superdrug You Are the Revolution 25-day advent calendar that has me on the back, which is still absolutely like surreal to another level. I would love to know what you think of this advent calendar. Do you think it's worth the £40? Do you think each door was worth £1.60? Let's have a little chin wag in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. I will hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.